We're getting more honks than you are. Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha! You better put some pep in your step. Said he didn't have a horn. That's cash for clunkers. I think we did.
Got any markers on you?
I might have one in my car.
I can't believe I forgot mine. I think I put Merry Christmas on the back of mine.
I put it on that one over there. It says Obamacare, Merry Christmas to Democrats. Does anybody?
Really, I guess.
Thank you. Yeah, the horns are starting to work. Music to my ears. You know, they don't know that.
People that look at you like they're dumbfounded. It's just unbelievable that people really don't know what's going on here.
Who's Benghazi? Ha! 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 It doesn't surprise me. Haven't you seen those news clips where they go to the college campuses and talk to those guys and they don't know diddly squat? The only thing they know about is beer bongs.
That's surprised me. The trucker didn't know.
Sometimes they don't because they're afraid to, you know, because they're running for a company. If they were independents, they would. You know, it surprises us because we grew up where they actually taught you about American history and stuff, you know, and you actually paid attention to what was going on.
Yep, but they're lying too.
But now they're living in video land, you know, and doing their iPhone stuff. They don't even look up and see what the world looks like.
My kids don't want to hear it from me.
Well, it stands them in good stead if they learn this stuff, but you know, to do it exclusively, it's messed up, you know. You gotta have some moderation in everything. But I'm glad I grew up when I did.
Oh, you don't hear?
No, I grew up in the Ozarks on a farm.
Arkansas?
Yep.
Good fishing.
Huh?
Good fishing.
Yeah. A lot of good stuff there. I'd be there if I could. Huh? You know, they used to when I first started. One of them threatened to arrest me over on right down here at Cactus and 51. Because I was on the overpass, you know, he said, Ken, you gotta leave. I said, what's the statute? He said, you want to see the statute? I said, yeah, I do. So he goes back to his car and he sits there for about 45 minutes talking on the radio. He finally came back and he told me, he says, DOT's on the way, and when they get here, I'm going to arrest you. And I said, for what? He said, you got your signs attached to the fence. I said, no, I don't. I'm holding up against the fence. I ain't got them attached. I'm holding them. No, you got them attached. I said, no, I'm holding them. And he said, well, I'm going to arrest you. I said, well, do what you got to do. And I said, you know, I'm leaving here in 5 minutes anyway, you know. And, but
so good there?
No. But then a couple of days later, I was over on that I-10 overpass at 11th Avenue, and I was standing up there for about an hour, just by myself. All of a sudden, I turn around. I'm up on a pedestrian overpass. I turn around, and there's a freaking motorcycle cop sitting there, wagging his finger at me. It looked like something out of the Terminator, you know? I go, what? He goes, you can't be up here. And I said, why not? He said, because it's against the law. I said, what law? He said, loitering. I said, I ain't loitering. I said, I ain't loitering. I'm demonstrating. And he says, well, you're going to have to leave. And I thought, this guy's going to freaking arrest me, man. And I really didn't want to go to jail. And I sat there and I looked at him for a minute. And I said, I just can't let this guy buffalo me like that, you know. And so I just said, well, he says, so you're not going to leave? And I said, I wasn't planning on it. I turned around and started demonstrating again. He sat there and looked at me all crazy for a few minutes, and then he rolled out. He says, I'll be back in a few minutes. I said, all right. And I figured he'd go and come back with some reinforcements and arrest me, you know.
Going to see if
But,
you're gonna leave.
and I called the like Fox, and I called the talk radio station and stuff. Nobody showed up. But he never came back.